easy chicken casserole. Some frozen mixed vegetables, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, 1 box of stovetop, and you just mix it all together. And I pre-cook chicken breast. Quarter of hot water. And 2 tablespoons of butter. Stick it in the microwave for about a minute. So I'm going to cut this chicken up here and for my casserole here. It makes it easier, it cooks faster when you pre-cook the chicken. It doesn't have to be cooked all the way, just enough where you can get it started. I thought chicken casserole would taste good on a nice cold day today. So anyway, so I got that all cut up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Okay, so I had my can of chicken, cream of chicken, my mixed vegetables, and I'm going to pour it into my baking pan. And you just spread that all out. Now if you want to, you can add potatoes to this too, or you can just put some diced potato in there, whatever you like. It tastes like basically a chicken pot pie. Okay, then I'm going to just take my chicken. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to just add a little bit of salt and pepper to this. Just take my chicken and just set it up on the top. Now I do this chicken casserole at 375 for 1 hour. I put it in the oven for. Yeah, let's flatten it down. And then I have my stovetop mixture. I'm just putting this stovetop over on top of the chicken. Just pat that down. I'm just going to put some foil over top of it. And I'm going to put this into the oven. So this casserole is all finished. So we're gonna get ready and we're gonna try it out. So for more recipes, stay tuned for the next one. Have a good night.